Hey friends, if the text is not displaying correctly on Google Chrome browser on your computer, then please watch this video. So ideally resetting Chrome is the solution, but first you will clear the cache. So search for Chrome in the Windows search bar and open Google Chrome. Click on these three dots at the top right corner, select history and then history once again. Click on delete browsing data, select it at all time and then select delete data. The next one is to reset Chrome. And how would you do that? On the settings page, okay, I'll tell you how to open it. Click on these three dots at the top right corner, select settings, click on reset settings on the list on the left hand side, select restore settings to the original default values, select reset settings. Okay, and the last one is to remove the extensions. Click on these three dots at the top right corner and then click on extensions, manage extensions. Try removing a few extensions here and finally remove them. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.